Hi guys, this is Captain Panigrahi of Marine Mind Academy. You must have known about this academy long back. Your friends might have told you. However, today I am in front of you to talk about what we specifically do and how we are different. As you know, we believe in face-to-face, online or offline classes. We do not give any videos because the videos will never clear your concepts or fundamentals. And in this course, in classes, we used to teach specifically for MCA, Chief Mate Written, OOW, SQA Written, Master Orals, Chief Mate Orals, and OOW Orals. We have always emphasized on the fundamentals and concept of navigation and stability. Without understanding the concept and fundamentals, it is not easy to visualize the subjects. Okay, if somebody has done OOW, already cleared OOW exam, still he is appearing for Chief Mate, it will be not that easy if he has not understood the fundamentals at the time of OOW. Hence, when I am teaching for Chief Mate SQA Written, I also see that how much the fundamental has been cleared by the candidates. Else, I used to clear the concept and fundamentals before really tackling the numericals of Chief Mate Written. For Chief Mate Written, I used to teach the students with pen and paper, and they have to solve along with me. When I am solving a numerical, I do not give you the solution at the beginning. I give you the concept, I tell you to solve it, and I also do simultaneously the same numerical along with you. Then anywhere anybody stuck up, I will come to know what mistakes are happening. And second concept is in SQA numerical. What happens? People think that I have done the right answer, but I have failed. Why? So many times I have seen people have gone through the internet solutions or somebody's video. So in the video I have seen many conceptual errors are there, and you know SQA marking is on the basis of principal error, clerical error. For everything they deduct mark. So maybe your answer is correct just because you have done a principal error, but in doing the principal error, you have not, your answer will come correct, but your answer being correct and you will not get 100% mark, as in principal error they will deduct 50% of the mark. Like that, every stage you have lost your mark and finally you do not get the mark. So I believe in clearing the principal errors and the fundamentals. Once the fundamentals are clear, you will not commit any principal error. And those who are attending offline classes with me, then no problem for me. Those who are attending online class, even I also tell them, give me your solution. Give me your solution so that I can see where are you making mistake. Because you know, online classes I cannot see what you are doing. So I used to ask them after the class to send me by WhatsApp your working. Once I see their working, I know what type of mistakes they have done. I used to rectify these mistakes so that they don't do these mistakes in exam. So I take pride to clear the doubts of my students, fundamentals of my students. You can see the reviews what they have given in the Google platforms and other platforms. Their videos, you can refer them. And besides the written subjects, we have got subjects like orals. We used to take Chief Mate and Master like MCA Orals. We used to take Chief Mate and Master MCA Orals. In the orals, I always believe in using the MGL, MSN, MIN and MSc circulars, because the surveyor is looking for contents from these circulars only. Do not try to read from somewhere and tell the surveyor. You will not be impressed. You will be looking for the keywords from the circulars itself. So we get into the circulars thoroughly and we used to give the candidates, this is what you have to say. There are many times the question is asked something, but surveyor He is expecting something. The candidate thinks if I say more, the surveyor will be impressed. It is not the fact. The fact is that surveyor is looking for the keyword. He has already checked your knowledge in written. Now in orals, he wants to see how you are responding to the question, how you are getting his keywords. The keyword of your answer lies in his question itself. You have to mark what he is looking from you. That is what is the key concept of orals, which I will be guiding during the oral session, so that you people pass the orals with pride. However, I will be putting some videos on my subject later on. Goodbye till then.